Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching coordinate systems so Auto CAD Civil 3D places data correctly. Open your drawing, set drawing settings to the correct units and the desired coordinate system. This prevents scale and offset errors. Next, attach or prepare the georeference source, a shapefile, DWG with world file, or online base map. Once done, verify the base map's datum and projection. Make sure to enable geolocation tools so subsequent commands can access coordinate transformation and map services without interruption. Now you perform the actual placement. From the Geolocation tab, choose Set Location and pick from Map for online base maps or from File for a georeference dataset. This assigns the coordinate system to the drawing. Import your GIS layers using Map Import or Data Connect, specifying source coordinate system when prompted. Once imported, convert key layers to Civil 3D objects if needed. That maintains surface and parcel relationships. Make sure to zoom to extents and visually confirm alignment with the map reference. Finish by validating and saving the geolocation. Build surfaces or alignments from your imported, geolocated geometry and verify elevations, units, and scale. Use commands like geographic location and maps assign to review the assigned coordinate system and datum. If objects appear offset or rotated, first reassign the correct projection. If that fails, apply a known transform. Translate and rotate using measured control points. One key troubleshooting tip: check datum mismatches between source and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.